This month has been particularly grim for India's chemical industry. Back-to-back accidents have cast a shadow over industrial safety practices. Just weeks ago, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited made headlines for a tragic blast. And now another disaster has struck, this time in Maharashtra. On November 21st, 2024, a reactor explosion at the Myanmar Chemical Company, a fertilizer manufacturing company in Sangli district, claimed the lives of three individuals and left nine others injured. In today's video, we'll explore the details of this incident, discuss possible causes behind the reactor blast, and most importantly, analyze the lessons we must learn to prevent such tragedies in the future. The Myanmar Chemical Company, located in Shalgaon, MIDC area of Sangli district, is a fertilizer manufacturing facility that produces ammonia and urea. At around 7 p.m. on Thursday, November 21st, 2024, a reactor used in production process exploded, releasing toxic chemical fumes suspected to be ammonia into the air. The explosion led to devastating consequences of three fatalities and left nine injured in critical condition. What could have gone wrong? Industrial accidents like this rarely happen without a combination of contributing factors. Here is what might have gone wrong in Myanmar Chemical Company. First, pressure buildup. Ammonia synthesis requires reactors to operate at extremely high pressures. A failure in pressure relief system could have allowed pressure to escalate beyond safe limits, leading to an explosion. Second, thermal runaway. In ammonia reaction, the process is highly exothermic. If cooling systems malfunctioned or weren't sufficient, it could have caused the reactor temperature to rise uncontrollably, resulting in thermal runaway and a catastrophic failure. Third, material failure. Over time, reactors experience stress from high temperature and pressures. A lack of proper maintenance or aging materials might have led to structural failure. Fourth, process control issues. A disruption in the delicate balance of hydrogen and nitrogen or an oversight in monitoring could have led to reaction instability. Fifth, neglected maintenance or human error. Inadequate maintenance, overlooked warning signs, or operational errors could have contributed to this accident. Failures to promptly address a minor leak or alarm could escalate into full-blown disaster. So, what are the lessons for the future? First, strict maintenance protocol. Conduct regular inspections and maintenance of reactors, valves, and pipelines. Use advanced techniques like non-destructive testing to detect material fatigue early. Then enhanced monitoring system. Install real-time sensors for pressure, temperature, and gas leaks with automated emergency shutdown capabilities. Ensure these systems are regularly tested and updated. Operator training and safety drills. Provide employees with comprehensive training on emergency procedures and operational protocols. Conduct frequent safety drills to ensure preparedness for emergencies. Robust reactor design. Use high-grade materials capable of withstanding extreme pressure and temperatures. Incorporate fail-safe mechanisms like pressure relief valves and secondary containment systems. Emergency response planning. Equip the facility with sufficient emergency equipment and ensure all workers know evacuation protocols. Collaborate with local authorities to establish a coordinated response strategy. Regular risk assessment. Conduct periodic hazard and operability studies or HAZOP to identify potential vulnerabilities. Implement proactive measures to address risks before they escalate. The reactor explosion at Myanmar Chemical Company is a tragic reminder of the inherent risks in the chemical manufacturing industry. It underscores the critical need for vigilance, regular maintenance, and adherence to safety protocols. The loss of lives and sufferings of those injured cannot be undone, but the industry owes to them and their families to ensure such incidents are never repeated. Every accident carries a lesson, and it is our responsibility to learn from them. This incident, coming on the heels of IOCL disaster, should serve as a turning point for improving industrial safety standards across India. The cost of neglect is far too high, measured not just in damages but in human lives. Let us strive for a safer tomorrow. I am Ajay Satpute. Thanks for watching.